Hello guys, I am sAjaL and watching Take Term. In this video I show you your normal Android mobile look like an iPhone. Don't waste the time and start the video. One application download for your Google Play Store, iPhone launcher, and you will see that all our apps was open. First app, iPhone 13 launcher, tap and this application was download for your mobile. Download successfully and open this app ad was closed and any permission of allow this app and tap the agree. Your setting watch permission this application and tap the agree. Access for your all notification on your mobile and agree. And you see that navigation guide for me this application, and you see that my Android mobile convert to iPhone 13 settings or apps or all change the iPhone 13. You search the application and open and set started for the default launcher and इसको allow watch your mobile. तो you can Android user interface watch coming to application iPhone 13 application or UI watch delete, and you see that your Android mobile to watch coming. I hope like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.